case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A clash of laws between public land use and preservation led to a landmark case between Homestake Mining Company, Naneco Minerals, Fred and Iwalana Gali, and Lawrence County in South Dakota. The suit was triggered by a local ordinance that prohibited the issuance of new permits for surface metal mining in the Spearfish Canyon area, a rule the plaintiffs claimed was in conflict with federal and state mining laws. In an attempt to protect their interest, the plaintiffs, which include the Homestake Mining Company, Naneco Minerals, and the Galis, who leased mineral rights, opted to challenge the ordinance in court. The basis of their claims centered on the Federal Mining Act of 1872, which encourages private enterprise in the exploitation of domestic mining, minerals, metal, and mineral reclamation industries. Jack Cole, a landowner in the disputed area, joined the lawsuit as a defendant, opposing the plaintiff's assertion. The district court initially ruled in favor of the Homestake and other plaintiffs. Following their argument, it found the county ordinance was indeed preempted by the Federal Mining Act of 1872. Consequently, the court granted a permanent injunction against the enforcement of the ordinance. Undeterred, Cole challenged the district court's ruling, propelling the case into the Eighth Circuit Court of Appeals. The Court of Appeals took a similar stance with the district court, upholding its ruling that the county ordinance was indeed preempted by federal law. It determined that the ordinance held a prohibitory, not regulatory, characteristic, and clashed with both the Property Clause and the Supremacy Clause of the federal Constitution. Thus, the court failed to consider Cole's argument that the ordinance's impact on privately owned land lacked separate analysis, maintaining the injunction on the ordinance's enforcement. The complex balance between federal law and county regulations had tilted, in this instance, in favor of the mining companies.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.